Lantelm, whoever honors you or gives you employ has precious little sense. For nothing will you ever be but annoyed with sheer impertinence. You tell a geether Nantoy like a boy instead of valence, and paste your verses with that muddy alloy of discourtesy immense. Yet here we sift the grain from the alloy with some intelligence and throw the worthless parts of the soil when it proves dense, but grossly fail the blessings past the roy to my great grievance. Who take your babble and your jangling ploy for song of prudence? So I give them as my employ for counsel good and sense, that to a jungler who goes neck, perfect, and peck and set, they grant no such respect, for that is gross offense. It is not meet to call 10 gold so sweet, nor to bestow, nor show, nor know a jungler so low today that they hold him dear. That is a brief pretense. Lantelm, I love you, therefore I would not see folly be your defense. Go with good folk into the wood and be their singer for recompense. For at your song your very eyes will be weeping in penitence, and your tear song makes the greenest leaf on tree wither in evidence. You talk so much that with your gabble you put pleasure to flight from hence. For you left cues, the card oil and the nuisance, you out of mere preference. But since I grieve at the harm that comes to you, I urge you take defense and cease, or else I strip my love from you and all benevolence.
For in vain does a jungler gain who sings renegade and prayed. May the beak of Ardamalek fall on him and decay of his intelligence. If his intelligence, of Charlemagne, go when you can't explain. No whistle, nor prance, nor dance, nor advance a step, but you know how to break the stance of every reverence. Reverence.